Cancer, as soon as I step into your energy, there's this quiet awareness that something in your life has been shifting while you've been trying to hold everything together. You've been sensing change before seeing it. You've been feeling the pressure of a choice before the choice arrives. Spirit brings a clear message for you. Something you've been waiting for is already moving toward you, but it's coming through a path you didn't expect. The shift ahead is not random. It's aligned with the version of you that's finally ready to stop surviving and start choosing. Let's see what opens now. The first card moving in is the Ace of Cups, and it pours in like emotional renewal. The first wave of this energy shows your heart softening after feeling guarded for so long. You may find yourself feeling a level of emotional openness you didn't realize you were craving. It's like your inner world gets water after months of drought. Something begins nurturing you again in a way that feels gentle and safe. The second layer of this blessing highlights a new emotional chapter emerging, a new connection, reconciliation, or a renewed sense of love toward yourself or someone else. This doesn't feel rushed. It feels like a slow bloom. Spirit shows that this blessing is tied to something genuine and heartfelt. You're being met with warmth instead of pressure. The third wave reveals healing around vulnerability. You're no longer as scared to feel. Something inside you starts trusting again. Your sensitivity becomes your strength rather than something you need to hide or hold back. You're beginning to feel emotionally alive again. And in the final layer, the blessing becomes clear. Your heart is receiving something it has long been prepared for. Emotional fulfillment begins returning to you from a place you didn't anticipate. This is the first sign that the next chapter is bringing softness instead of struggle. The next card turning in is the Seven of Wands. In its first wave, this shows how much you've been defending your boundaries recently, often out of exhaustion rather than clarity. You've been standing up for yourself more, saying no more, resisting things that drain you. Spirit acknowledges how tiring this has been, but also how necessary. The second layer shows that this card is actually a blessing disguised as conflict. Every boundary you've enforced recently has been removing the wrong people, wrong commitments, and wrong expectations from your path. You may not see it yet, but every moment of resistance has been protecting your future. The third wave highlights inner strength activating. You're learning that you don't have to shrink to be loved or sacrifice yourself to keep peace. You're noticing what triggers you, what overwhelms you, and what no longer feels like home. And instead of tolerating it, you're choosing differently. In the final layer, the blessing becomes clear. You're being positioned for something that requires your full self, not the watered-down version. Your boundaries are shaping your future more than your effort. You're not losing anything. You're clearing the field for what truly belongs. The third card entering is the Knight of Pentacles. Its first wave brings patience, becoming progress. You've been walking a long road that felt slow, steady, and at times frustrating. But this card shows the blessing of consistency taking form. Something you've been dedicated to is finally grounding. The second layer reveals a blessing in the physical. Finances stabilizing, work becoming more predictable, or a responsibility finally feeling manageable instead of overwhelming. You're gaining traction even if you can't see the full results yet. The third wave highlights commitment paying off. You may realize that you're actually closer to your goal than you thought. Spirit is showing long-term progress built on small steps you didn't think mattered. They mattered more than you realized. In the final layer, the blessing becomes clear. This card promises long-lasting success, not temporary wins. What you're building now will sustain you. Your slow progress wasn't failure. It was foundation. The fourth card arriving is Justice. The first wave brings alignment. Something becomes balanced, fair, or corrected in your life. A situation that felt one-sided starts evening out. A decision you've been waiting for may also lean in your favor. The second layer shows truth revealing itself. You see someone's intentions clearly, or gain information that finally helps you understand why something unfolded the way it did. It brings closure without chaos. The third wave highlights karmic balancing, not in the dramatic sense, but in the practical sense. You are receiving what you've earned, even if the timing felt delayed. Spirit is showing that you're moving into a phase where your actions bring direct results. And the final layer clarifies the blessing. You are being restored to a place of personal power, choice, and fairness. Something in your life becomes less heavy and more manageable. Cancer, before we go further, if you want to go deeper, your 2026 full year forecast is now open for $155. It's your full month-by-month reading for the entire upcoming year. The fifth card sliding in is the Page of Cups. Its first wave brings emotional curiosity returning. You might feel inspired, playful, or creatively awakened in a way you haven't felt in months. Something reconnects you to your inner softness. The second layer shows unexpected good news, a message, an invitation, or a sweet gesture that lifts your spirit. Something small but meaningful enters your life and shifts your mood instantly. The third wave highlights intuitive guidance becoming louder. You may have dreams, sudden insights, or emotional nudges that start making sense. Spirit is speaking more clearly through symbols and subtle signs. And in the final layer, the blessing becomes clear. You are reconnecting with hope, imagination, and emotional freshness. You're remembering what joy feels like without conditions. The next card is the Queen of Swords. In its first wave, this blessing shows mental clarity returning after months of emotional heaviness. You're thinking sharply, seeing patterns clearly, and noticing truths you missed before. The second layer reveals emotional detachment that protects you. Not coldness, wisdom. You stop taking things personally. You stop absorbing other people's fears or narratives. You stop explaining yourself to people who don't listen. The third wave highlights your voice strengthening. You may say something that surprises even you, something honest, direct, and necessary. You're not afraid to express what you need anymore. And in the final layer, the blessing becomes evident. Your mind is becoming your anchor instead of your battlefield. You trust your logic and your perception again. Cancer, before we continue, if this reading resonates so far, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so more people can receive these messages. The seventh card appearing is the Star. The first wave offers healing that finally reaches the deepest layer of you, the part that thought it was safer to stay hurt than to hope. This card brings emotional cleansing. The second layer shows divine guidance leading you forward. You may notice signs aligning, coincidences happening, or your intuition becoming clearer. You feel led rather than lost. The third wave reveals a blessing connected to long-term dreams. Something you once thought was impossible starts becoming realistic. You're stepping into alignment with your future self. And in the final layer, the blessing becomes unmistakable. Hope returns, not fragile hope. Steady, grounded, empowered hope. The final card is the Six of Pentacles. The first wave brings support entering your life, financial, emotional, or practical. Someone gives, helps, or contributes in a way that lifts a major burden off you. The second layer shows balance in your giving and receiving. You're no longer overextending. You're receiving in equal measure to what you offer. The third wave highlights opportunities opening, new resources, new help, new generosity. You're no longer carrying everything alone. And in the final layer, Spirit shows your life becoming more stable because you're allowing support rather than resisting it. The blessing is shared strength. Affirmation for you, Cancer. I am ready to receive blessings that support my peace, my growth, and my future.